Let's start to learn kitchen utensils with sentences. Baking tray. We bake cake in the baking tray. Basket. I put the fruit in the basket. I put the peel of fruit in the bin. Bin bag. I apply the bin bag in the dustbin. Blender. I blend the fruit in the blender to make juice. Bowl. I serve the soup in the bowl. Chopping board. I chop the onions on the chopping board. Cup. We drink the coffee in the cup. Cooker. We cook the mutton in cooker. Stove. We are frying the egg on the stove. Fork. I eat noodles with fork. Fridge. I put ice creams in the fridge. Glass. I serve the water in the glass. Ice cream scoop. I took the 2 ice cream with ice cream scoop. Jug. I put some water in the jug. Knife. I cut my birthday cake with the knife. Kettle. I put some water in the kettle to get some steam. Mixer. I use mixer to mix eggs and flour. Oven. Oven is used for baking pizza. Oven gloves. We use oven gloves to get out the pizza. Pan. We use pan for frying egg. Pizza slicer. I use pizza slicer to slice the pizza. Plate. I serve pizza in the plate. Pot. I cook curry in pot. Rolling pin. We roll bread with rolling pin. Sink. We wash the dishes in the sink. Spices container. We contain all spices in spices container. Spoon. We eat rice with spoon. Teapot. We serve tea in the teapot. Tea stainer. I stained the tea with the tea stainer. Toaster. The toaster needs electricity to toast bread. Thanks for watching us.